Alright guys, welcome to my channel, Two Gringos on the Gulf. We're just leaving the hotel here. We're gonna go to a high-end bike store, a couple of other stops. You might as well come along for the ride. We gotta cross the street here. Yeah, I'm gonna walk.
Certain community in Florida, you banned e-bike. So
After the bus we go.
after the
Oh, it's got lights here. The light's red. Alright my friends, going into crazy Xalapa traffic here with crazy Dickie Roy. So we're gonna stop at a market as well. I gotta see about my driver's license. Well, I got a few stops to make. Chicos. Pedaling uphill here. Oh, I'm not really dressed for it either. I'm overdressed. Oh. Oh. Ah. 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 Oh. Oi. Fancy bike shop.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, look at this, eh? Cool. Okay, guys. So we're in heaven for Roy. This is Roy's paradise right here. Oh, look at this bike. This is what I want right here. Wow. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh. Wow. So this bike is 55,000 pesos. Holy. Wow. Oh, I got you guys upside down there. Good thing I can fix that in my editing program. Wow. Beautiful bikes. Holy. Alright guys, wasn't that pretty cool, that bike store? Pretty freaking high-end bikes in there, I'll tell ya. Wow. More than I can afford. Pretty nice day. No rain yet. Not yet. So we're gonna stop here at the DMV, I guess. assuming we're turning left. That's why we're driving in the middle of the road. Perfecta. Oh, another adventure.
That Gringo is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Well, I had a reason for being there.
Well, I figured you were turning left.
Did you see the taxi driver? Get
Oh.
the fuck out of the way.
Oh, does he? I figured you were turning left. Yeah, they're all over.
Hey, this is where trouble actually should be. They won't have a business, I guess.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. We'll just check you real quick.
Oh. What? Oh.
Go to the market, okay?
Okay. All right, so I need my curb. I guess they said all the internet's down right now. So I need my curb number. I don't know if I have that. And then they got to get authorization because I'm only a temporary resident, so. I guess I'll have to deal with it when I come back from Canada.
Estamos en una carrera. Ahora pues, apaga el motor. Yo apago. Le doy 10 segundos. No, apagues el motor, sin motor.
We go.
Watch out, the guy wants to come through you.
Can we go or what?
There we go.
Ugh. Oh, wasn't sure if you guys were on there. Got a little hectic. Roy's got that e-bike so he can just boogie. I'm pedaling like a Banshee. Oh, up a big hill. Oh, I think I'll be walking this. We'll see what I can do, guys. Work off my breakfast. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wow, this is... This is where we shop.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we come here on the weekends. Yeah, I discovered this place with car one day. And then me and Jen just started coming to this market here. We've never come on a Thursday. But inside, we do all of our shopping inside here, and then there's the butcher in here we like.
Right.
Very, very friendly, nice guy.
Well, now that I got the e-bike, I won't feel so lazy about it now.
Yeah. All right, guys, that was just a little quick stop at the market. We're gonna head back home now. She's getting hot out. Oh, gracias. Car, bus, bus. Well, guys, thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys like this little bike ride today. We're just gonna head home here. We're just about home, so.
If you want to get really good ham,
Yes, we haven't. Every time we come here, it's busy.
well, it's not busy now.
I got no money. But yeah, we got a good meet here one time, but every time we go by, it's always packed in there.
So if you want to take any look out, we got the nice little bicycles and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't go to the rec center.
All right, guys, God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego.